Just a little intro for this video. This is how to get free Facebook ads. Basically, it's how to get an ad budget for free, basically. So I actually made this, I'm just gonna interlace it right after this little intro. But the whole idea is you're gonna be drop shipping items that are free on Craigslist to Facebook Marketplace. And you're just gonna literally just collect money, and you're not gonna pay for anything up front. You're not even gonna pay for anything in general. It's literally, you're just gonna be picking up free items and then selling them to people who have already agreed on a price to buy them from. So the reason I'm putting this in here is because this will allow people who are struggling or on a tight budget to take all the money they make from this and put it directly into ads. So you're not really losing any money. You're just spending the money you gain doing something else for free. So without further ado, here's the video.
What's going on, guys? Scott Hilsey here. Today I'm going to show you how to easily make money drop shipping or drop posting ads from Craigslist free to Facebook Marketplace. It's super simple. This is the easiest money you can basically get. You're putting no money up front at all, and all your products are free. All the photos are already on there. So I like being very direct, so let's get right into it. The first step you want to do is go to Craigslist, and then you also want to have a tab open for the Facebook Marketplace. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Craigslist, you're going to go for sale, and then you're going to go to the tab that says free right here. And so there's going to be a ton of junk on here for sure, because I mean, look at this. Okay, definitely don't be drop posting this, because that's just terrible, you know. Just have some common sense here. So let's just scroll through and see if we can find anything of value that'd be worth posting on Facebook Marketplace that people might actually pay money for. All right, guys, I scrolled like twice and I found this EA Sports Full Court Hoops. Now, this is perfect for drop posting. As you can see, it has decent photos. You can easily use these photos, or you can actually go pick this up yourself and clean it, because it says it does need a little clean. But nonetheless, it looks really good. It includes 3 balls. Like, this is definitely something someone would pay for. So what you're going to do with this is you're going to snag these photos right here by screenshot this. And if a photo is sideways like this, like, definitely correct that, because I think that's a little sloppy to put a photo sideways. Like, what are you doing? You're trying to get rid of this. Obviously, this person doesn't care about it, but if you're actually trying to sell it for money, photos definitely matter. So now that you got that, you're going to go over to the Facebook Marketplace and you're going to click sell something. You got an item for sale, category, sports and outdoors. What are you selling? You're just going to copy this, EA Sports Full Court Hoops. Paste that right here. Price, I'd say put like $60, okay? Or like maybe like 65. Just so, like, you want to price it a bit over what your target price is. So my target price for this would probably be 50. I think that'd be a reasonable offer. So now you're going to go in and you're going to upload those photos like that. And actually, I want to go back and I want to flip this over. So I'm going to find that photo right here, and I'm going to open with preview. I think I should be able to flip it around. Yeah. So you just do that. And then boom. So now you're going to go back and you're going to upload that final photo. And now you're going to work on your description. Now, generally free items have a terrible description. Like, this isn't the best, but actually it's pretty decent. We might be able to use this. We just want to tweak it a bit. So description, you want to put like EA Sports basketball set. Super fun. Includes 3 balls. Okay, so for this part, it says it's been sitting in the garage, could use a clean. This is when your judgment really comes in. Now again, this is a free item. There's no harm in going and picking it up and then trying to wash it and get better photos just to make a quick 50 or 60 bucks. But if you don't want to do that, I would just like get rid of that right there, you know. And then if someone does buy it, you can clean it before giving it to them, because they might negotiate on the price if it's a little dirty. So yeah, so then you're gonna go ahead and post it, and then boom, look at that, guys. You don't even own this item, but you might make 65 bucks off of it. Now the photos are a little hazy. That's why I would recommend, like, actually, like, I wanna make this very clear. Photos are everything when you're trying to sell something. That's the difference between a free posting and a profitable posting. For this, since it's free, I would go and pick it up with a truck, scrub it down, and get a nice camera and just take photo. It doesn't have to be a nice camera, like iPhone cameras are insane nowadays, so just scrub it down, take a photo, edit the colors and stuff to make it look really nice and vibrant. You might even be able to get $100 out of this. I don't know. But the idea of this drop posting method is you're gonna get a lot of offers on this. You're gonna get messages from people on Facebook saying, hey, I'd like to buy it. They're probably negotiating the price. So you do that all on Facebook, and when someone says they want to buy it for this price, you say, okay, what time do you want to meet up? They say Tuesday at 5 p.m. You're like, perfect. Then you find the guy on Craigslist free and say, hey, I want to pick this up. Can I pick it up Tuesday at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. even? It depends on if you're doing that scrub in the photo thing. So you go, and if the guy says yes, you go. Or if he doesn't, you want to reschedule with the Facebook Marketplace guy. You definitely want to have the timing lined up so you can hit the Craigslist guy and the Facebook guy on the same day. So you go and you pick up this free item, and then you bring it to this guy and sell it for 60 bucks. So simple, you know? And then the idea is you want to say you post like 10 a day. I mean, you could begin like 3 or 4 sales a day, and now you're making like a couple hundred a day. Drop posting, drop shipping, these free products on Craigslist free. They're just sitting there waiting for somebody just to pick them up and snatch them up for free. Why not try to make a profit on it at the same time, you know? And then an additional way to do this, it's a little more smarter and least time consuming, because again, this is all free, like you're not paying for anything. You can go on Craigslist free and just get all the good items that you think will sell. And as you do this, you'll start to realize what will sell, what won't sell. And then you just stash them all at your house, and then like, you list them with really good photos, super clean, and then you just get profit on each one. So you can, you know, go and get like 50 free items, stash them in your basement or something, take 50 really good photos with listed on Facebook with 50 really good descriptions, and then you just sell them all day like that. So you don't really have to like rely on this guy picking up his phone at the right time, meeting him. That's just another way to do it if you want to really get into this. So that's a little method I thought of. It's definitely gonna work. Like, that's just an easy way to make money, no doubt. And I've thought of this because I actually do drop shipping e-commerce for a living. So I don't buy any products till people buy from me, and I scale that with Facebook ads. Sometimes I get like hundreds of orders a day for products I don't even own yet, or don't put any money up front on or anything. So if you guys want to learn more about that, there'll be a link in the description. But other than that, feel free to use this tactic as much as you want. This is super simple. Anybody could do this. You could probably list like 10 to 20 items every hour. So really, like, you can make tons of money on this if you put in some serious work. If you guys like that, I got tons of other videos coming out on how to make money online, just automated income, all location neutral. This is location neutral. That's what I'm all about. That's why I live this lifestyle. That's why I do e-commerce drop shipping. And if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Be sure to hit like, be sure to hit subscribe, and you'll be seeing plenty more where that came from. Have a good one. Scott Hilsey.